Within the Genestar business unit, we see sustainability as an opportunity to innovate, to expand our portfolio, and to update our portfolio. Can that be changes in regulatory landscape? For example, the anticipated ban on PFAS-containing materials, or the changes in consumer preferences and also regulations that introduced electric vehicles or will bring us fuel cell powertrain vehicles. So we see all of this as an opportunity for innovation, and based on that, we expand our portfolio, we introduce new adapted grades, and with this, we also support the commitment of Kuraray Group to sustainability. Effectively, we work with most of players along the value chain, for example, with the OEM itself, with the original equipment manufacturer, and all their part suppliers or tiers, tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3, and even sometimes with the material suppliers. The idea here is to engage as much as possible different stakeholders to make this innovation approach faster, more effective, less costly, and more meaningful to the end customer. Beside those current active players in each value chain, for example, in automotive value chain, we would like to partner with companies that are in recycling technologies. So companies, partners that could help us to introduce new recycled or more sustainable Genestar grades. Of course, we care a lot about our customer needs and pain points. We anticipate them, we talk to our customers, and based on that, we have developments and many ongoing projects. Here I would like to share with you two different use cases for Genestar PA90. One is related to the anticipated ban on PFAS. So traditionally for wear and friction applications, some of our grades use PFAS-containing additives. However, based on this new requirement and anticipation for this regulatory change, we have developed PFAS-free abrasion-resistant grades of Genestar PA90, and one example is a grade with the trade name Genestar N1005A. As another example, I can share with you the developments that we have related to the cooling technology of electric vehicles. And we have multiple solution proposals in this case. If it's related, for example, to the immersion cooled battery packs, we have electrically conductive Genestar PA90 grades. Or if it's about weight saving, for example, aluminum replacement in different parts of the cooling module of an electric vehicle, we have highly glass-filled Genestar PA90 grades also for that need. In Genestar business unit, we are focused on several future trends. One example is the high-speed data transfer that requires new grades, for example, resistant to high voltages for different type of connectors. The two other cases that I will share are within the automotive domain. One are the evolutions in electric vehicle powertrains, the need for faster charging, higher voltage charging, for which we have already multiple solutions and we are developing new solutions. And the last example are developments related to fuel cell powertrains, for which we work together with multiple partners to help them in development of highly efficient fuel cells. Let's meet and co-create together.